postaneš Slovenec? Z Michaelom Manskim. 18. del, part 18.
Kako si zrihtaš stvari?
There's one important skill that every Slovene knows. It's how to zrihta things. Zrihta is hard to translate into English. It's something like arrange or sort out, but it's not such a crucial concept in the US as it is here. In Slovenia, people are constantly on the lookout for ways to zrihta something. Since there are huge social webs connecting almost all Slovenes, this means they can call on hundreds of people to help them out with something. This ranges from helping them do some work in the garden, or it can be helping them get something cheaper. The more connections you have, or veza, the easier it is. If you don't have any veza, well, it doesn't get much worse. It's no coincidence that Slovenes insult something by saying,
To je brez veze.
Literally, this means it has no connections. That's how important veza are here. In the US, you won't find the same emphasis on veza and zrihtaing things. There's two reasons for this. One, many Americans live far away from their family and friends, so they don't have the big web of local support that the average Slovene has. And secondly, the whole American way of life is already built around the idea of making things easier for people. Stores are full of everything you could possibly want, plus thousands of things you didn't even know you wanted. In Slovenia, on the other hand, people in stores are not really interested in helping you out. They usually seem to be waiting for you to get the hell out so they can go for a cigarette. That's why here you've got to go to your social web for help. I mean, you can call an electrician you randomly find on the internet, but you won't see him for weeks, and when he does come, you'll pay a fortune. That's why you've got to zrihta someone. You've got to call your uncle's wife, whose grandfather's neighbor is an electrician. That's the difference. In the US, you go to a store to get what you need. In Slovenia, you pick up your phone to get what you need. Not surprisingly, Slovenes are masters of this art. But like the Force, there's also a dark side. I've occasionally had conversations like this.
Hej, Michael, si slišal, kaj je naredil župan?
Nisem.
To ne moreš verjeti. Ženi je zrihtal novi avto, pa za brata neko zemljišče v vrednosti -1 milijon evrov. Michael, ti delaš na radiju, ne?
Ja.
Vi bi morali več poročati o tem, naši politiki, kakšna banda. Na katerem radiju si že?
RSI.
Hej, dobite kdaj kakšne vstopnice?
Redko.
Povej mi, če dobite kakšne vstopnice, recimo za Brusa Springsteena, ko bo na Dunaju. Ta koncert bi res rad videl.
Ne, take stvari res ne dobimo.
Ali pa veš kaj, če bodo Led Zeppelin spet v Londonu.
Ne, lahko ti že povem, da mi nikoli ne dobimo takih stvari.
Radio SI. Vi imate program tudi v angleščini in nemščini, a ne?
Točno, ja.
Hej, stari, moja nečakinja Tina ful dobro govori angleško. Mislim, da je celo študirala angleščino. Ji lahko zrihtaš nekaj na radiju?
Zaenkrat mislim, da ne.
Samo malo, ju bom poklical. Tina.
Prosim,
Hej, zbudi se, no.
pa kaj je s tabo?
Mala službo sem ti zrihtal. Nisi ti študirala angleščine?
Nisem, študirala sem norveščino.
Vseeno. Imate tudi novice v norveščini?
Zaenkrat ne.
Dobro. Poslušaj, govoriš pa angleško, ne?
Malo, ja, veliko filmov sem gledala.
Evo, to. Potem pa povej nekaj po angleško.
Pa kaj naj povem?
Pa vseeno, kar nekaj. Poslušaj to.
Hello, I'm English speak.
Ej, super. Si slišal, Michael?
Sem.
Ni dobra, povej, pa še lepi glas ima, sigurno bi lahko delala na radiju.
Zaenkrat ne rabimo nikogar.
Dobro. Pojdi zdaj nazaj spat. Ne, samo malo. Hej, ni tvoj bivši fant delal kot mehanik? Nove felne rabim, vprašaj ga, če mi lahko nekaj zrihta. Vedno imajo v delavnici neke odvečne felne. Če lahko mu bom zrihtal za ston karte, mogoče za Led Zeppelin v Londonu.
Res?
Ja, danes sem spoznal Michaelu Manskim.
Kdo je to?
Na radiju dela, zdaj pa pojdi spat, te pokličem nazaj. Evo, sorry.
Te lahko nekaj vprašam?
Reci.
Kakšna je razlika, če ti zrihtaš stopnice pa zastojn felne in politik zrihta zemljo pa avto za svojo družino?
Velika razlika je, oni so barabe.
In a way, I kind of don't understand why Slovenes get upset when politicians and leading businessmen zrihta things for themselves, whether it's houses or cars or millions of euros. It's almost like hating them for being Slovene, or for doing what everyone else in the country seems to be doing anyway, but on a smaller scale. Not only that, but to climb to the top of a company or a political party in Slovenia, you've got to be a master zrihtaš. I don't know if that's a word, but it should be. But yeah, you've got to be a master zrihtaš, a zrihtaing guru, a zrihtai Jedi. And you've got to have better zrihtaing skills than 2 million other people who are also all really, really good at zrihtaing things. So I guess my question is this. What else could possibly happen when a master zrihtaš finally gets to the top? That he or she stops zrihtaing?
Once you start down the dark path, forever will it dominate your destiny.
How to become a Slovene with Michael Mensky.